is Alberto Letim, isa po ako sa mga founding partner ng Ascendra. And ang background ko po is isa po akong BPO employee for 12 years. And right now, ginagawa akong Ascendra full-time. And kung ikaw ay nagdadalawang isip pa, this is the right time for you because we provide automation, structured learning, masterclass, and we have the right products for you. And we are ready for e-commerce and dropshipping business. So if ever you want to have your own source of income, additional source of income, then definitely Ascendra is for you. 1 month income, guys. 1 month.